Okay, guys, welcome to Unit 9, Emphasis and Dominance. This should be a pretty simple one. So we're going to get started by getting our layers ready. And this is the order that they go in. First one's going to be bitmap 1. Next one's going to be bitmap 2. Next one is going to be trace 1. Next one's going to be trace 2. Next one's going to be color. Next one's going to be size. There's a lot, but it's easy. Next one's going to be shape. Alrighty. Take a second to pause and look at that. Shape, size, color, trace 2, trace 1, bitmap 2, and bitmap 1 all in that order. Go ahead and click on the bitmap. We're going to go to File, Import. Head on down to your class resources. Mine's around here somewhere. Where? There. You go to Section 8 and choose something that you like. I saw a gear. I'm going to choose the gear. Okay, and we can zoom in on it. And we can't use the trace command for this one because it's got a little bit more detail. Well, you know what? Let's try tracing it. All right, so we'll go to our path menu and let's select trace bitmap. Where did it go? There it is. Okay. Um, let's try brightness cutoff. Let's see what that. Ooh, let's lower that threshold significantly. I don't see much of a difference. Okay. All right. What about edge detection? Edge detection's better. Need more detail. Gave me less detail. What about color quantification? No. I'll change that to 2 colors, see if that makes a difference. No. Go back to edge detection. I don't think I can get it perfect. That's going to be a problem. So we're just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Lock the bitmap, go to your traced layer, and bust out the good old Bezier tool. Oh, I just realized that this may take a few minutes. So let's start by tracing the outline. I'm going to go through this pretty fast. I'm not going to make any curves, but you should totally do that. Right now I'm just tracing the outline, the overall shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. Try and get some curves in there with your Bezier tool. I'll be doing this for a while. I'll keep recording just in case you guys need to see it some more, but if you want to fast forward, go ahead. I'm almost halfway done. At least with the outline. We got more to trace still. The reason we have to do it this way is because we're going to color it. Ugh. Tedious. This is going to drag the video on much longer than it needs to be. I apologize for that, but like I said, you can fast forward. Just keep in mind, I'm going to be tracing more than just this outline. Now I'm going to trace. Oh, this is going to be fun. The inner outline. Okay, I got to zoom out. All right, I'm not able to get it perfectly, so I got to do a quarter circle at a time. Good. Okay, Shift L, quarter circle at a time. That one turned out okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna hide this so I can see my circle. And I'll deal with it, that's fine. Unhide. Okay, two more. We'll just do two more. This inner circle. That's good. That's good. Shift L because that's too small. All right. Shift L, we need to make sure that this thing is right. And then let's just do this circle as well. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm just going to do how does that look? Okay, that's fine. Let me see if I can just no, I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, from here we can color. So let me see, bitmap, unlock. I'm gonna get my dropper tool to try and get the best possible. No, that needs to be white. Okay, sorry. Select this. No, select this. Okay. Unhide, lock. No, unlock it. Dropper. And this. Okay, that's fine. That is just fine. All right, so get my paint bucket tool. Nope, select tool. All right, I got only that selected. There we go. Okay. Now, okay. So I'm just gonna select this. I'm gonna copy this. Copy. Select tool. Can I paste color? I thought I could. Paste style, maybe? Good, okay. So, what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to open up my fill and stroke menu. And we'll go with HSL. I'm just going to make that one a little bit darker. And then, all right, edit, paste style, Control Z, edit, paste style. All right, and I'm going to make this one a little bit lighter. Okay. Control All. Let's get everything centered back up. I'm just going to cheat, align and distribute. Well, let's just see what happens. There we go. All right, and group. Object, group. So now it is all together. And for the most part, it is pretty simple from here. What we're going to do is we're going to go to File, or maybe Edit, and we're going to select Clone. We're going to go Create Tiled Clones. Make sure P1 is selected, and we want 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay. All right, so let's just get them to fit the page. All right, and then we're going to copy, get out of this menu, get out of this menu, and we're going to go to our layers. All right, so color layer, we can hide the bitmap layer. So on our color layer, paste, move to the center. All right, hide. Same thing with our size layer. Same thing with our shape layer. All right, now let's go to bitmap 2. I'm hiding shape layer, size layer, color layer, trace 1 layer, and bitmap 1 layer. All right, so we're going to import another bitmap. And we're going to make it super simple, a key. And I am just going to use the Bezier tool. So lock that, trace 2, because it's a simple shape. Okay. All right, and if we hide that, nope, hide that. Voila, we have a key. All right, so let's just let's give that a color. And that will be white, which is not staying white. I don't know what's going on right now. I'm just kind of playing with it. To be honest with you, I like that. All right. Get rid of that. All right, so I'm just going to move it, and I'm going to redraw the circle. And just using a regular circle this time. All right, white. There we go. Group that. Delete my mistake right there. Copy. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to shapes, the shape layer. We can hide the trace 2 layer. There it is. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete 1, and we're going to paste the key. And that is going to be our emphasis and dominance on that shape. All right, I just locked that layer and hit it, and we're going to go to size. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take one of these and make it bigger, make some of them a bit smaller. And that's all you got to do. Color layer, select, just give it a different color. One of them, if it works. It is not working. blue. Okay, and there we have it. Once this is done, save it and submit it. I'll save it as Gears of Inkscape. All right, thank you for joining me. Have a great day.